During this video, you'll get a quick overview how Kofax Express can help in converting your paper documents to digital image files. But what is Kofax Express and what does it do? Basically, Kofax Express is software for document scanning. Its ultimate purpose is to efficiently digitize paper like accounting documents, patient records, insurance claims, etc., and store them as digital files in a document management system. Kofax Express supports hundreds of scan devices, and depending on your paper volume, you can use a desktop scanner or a high-speed production scanner. You can also scan with your digital copier into a folder. Kofax Express can import these images for further processing. What makes Kofax Express so efficient? During scanning, even with a 150 pages per minute scanner, all scanned images are displayed in thumbnail size in real time for visual verification. Noisy images and faint text are enhanced for maximum readability using Kofax VRS technology. Documents that are scanned upside down are rotated based on their text orientation, and when scanning both sides, Kofax Express checks for blank sides and removes them. You can scan large batches of documents and separate them by barcode, by number of pages, blank sheet inserts, or patch codes. You can use barcodes to index your documents so you can search them on customer code, patient name, invoice number, etc. Kofax Express generates very compact digital image files optimized for fast access or download. All these functions run automatically and in real time during scanning. After Kofax Express has converted all your paper to searchable digital documents, you can use the export function to transfer them to your document management system. Let's show Kofax Express in action. We will scan patient records as an example. We have prepared our documents with barcode separator sheets to indicate the start of a new patient record. Kofax Express supports 13 different barcode types. We have configured a Kofax Express patient record scan job to start a new document and index the documents by means of the barcode. After scanning, we will export searchable PDF files to a file server and organize them in a logical folder structure for easy access. Let's switch on our scanner and start Kofax Express. Press the Kofax Express application button to select the scan job you want to use. You can define different scan jobs. A scan job includes all settings related to the way you scan, how you separate documents, what index fields you use, what types of barcodes to read if any, and where to export documents to. For the demo, we'll select the patient records job. The left panel is the batches list. A batch contains a stack of scanned documents. Let's create a new batch by pressing the New Batch button. Place the documents in the document feeder of your scanner and press Scan All. This will start a scanner and document images are processed and displayed in real time in the thumbnail viewer. The thumbnails can easily be adjusted to the size of your computer display even during scanning. Notice how front and back sides are paired together in the thumbnail viewer. When a blank side is detected, it's automatically removed and only one side is displayed for that page. The patient records job is configured to start a new document for every detected barcode. Documents are clearly marked with a document title bar. The title also displays the index data extracted from the barcodes. When your scanner runs out of paper, you just add more paper and Kofax Express will automatically resume scanning. When you have finished scanning, you typically would export the batch right away. But for some critical scan jobs, you can quickly review the documents in the viewer before export and still make some adjustments, like moving the position of pages in a document, for example. When moving a page, both sides of the page are automatically moved together. You can also switch a scanned document to color or remove punch holes. If you want to enter index data manually, you can do so by pressing the indexing button. As you can see, for our patient records job, the indexes are all automatically filled out thanks to the Kofax Express barcode reader. Next to barcode indexing and manual indexing, you can also do zonal OCR. Just draw a zone around a text block to fill out the text in the current index field. But the patient record job doesn't require any manual handling, and after scanning we can just press export to transfer our documents as TIFF files or searchable PDF files to our document management system. Exporting documents is a background process, and we can instantly create another batch and continue scanning while previous batches are being exported. This scan job is configured to export to a folder structure on my desktop, so let's have a look at the result. I exported all the documents to the patient records folder on my desktop. The folder structure is created based on the index information provided in the barcode. I have used the admission year to define a first folder level. Inside the folder, I placed all the patients that were admitted that year. One patient record corresponds with one PDF file. The PDF file is named according to the patient's birth date, last name, first name, and admission date. You can freely combine all this data to create your own preferred structure. I can use the standard Windows 7 search feature to find all patients born in 1962, for example. And I configured Kofax Express to create searchable PDF files, and thanks to that, I can even search on the content of the documents. For example, I can search for A12345, which happens to be patient Scavo's unique patient ID written on the last page of a record. For this demo, we use the folder structure to organize our scanned documents. But Kofax Express can also export to a database or Microsoft SharePoint or other document management systems. With the flexible export interface, you can even create your own export connectors. Let's summarize briefly what Kofax Express is all about. Kofax Express is software to efficiently convert paper to electronic documents and store them in a document management system. Hundreds of scanner models are supported, from the smallest flatbed scanner to very high-speed production scanners. You can also import documents created with a networked multifunctional device. Images are enhanced in real time during scanning with Kofax VRS technology. Kofax Express can separate by barcode, blank sheet, page counting, or manually. Index by barcodes, manual keying, or zonal OCR. Finally, you can export your documents and associated index data to a backend system of choice. This short video only covers Kofax Express at a high level. Kofax Express features an extensive help which you can access through the Help tab. Just press the Help button and navigate to the topic you want to know more about. If you want to try out Kofax Express for yourself, visit the Kofax website at www.kofax.com and download the Kofax Express trial today.